Welcome to the Ellipse Calculator, which solves for area, circumference, and perimeter of elliptical shapes. Let's start with the input fields. First, you'll see a units drop-down menu where you can select between metric, showing millimeters, centimeters, and meters, or imperial, showing inches and feet. For this demonstration, I'm using metric units. Next, you'll enter the semi-major axis, A, which is the longest radius of your ellipse. Below that, enter the semi-minor axis, B, which is the shortest radius. After entering these values, click the Calculate Ellipse Properties button. For our example, I'm entering 10 for the semi-major axis and 10 for the semi-minor axis. The calculator returns 4 results. The area equals 314.1593 square units, which represents the total surface area enclosed by the ellipse. The perimeter, approx, is 62.8319 units, giving us the distance around the ellipse's edge. The eccentricity shows 0.00000, indicating how much the ellipse deviates from being circular. 0 means we have a perfect circle. Finally, the focal distance, C, is 0.000 units, which is the distance from the center to each focus point. This tool streamlines elliptical calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.